Introducing the letter M. M is for mouse, snacking on cheese. M is for a mom with a loving squeeze. M is for the moon, shining so bright. M is for milk, cool and white. M is for magnet and a monkey too. M is for music, for me and you. What else starts with the letter M? How about mitten? Mask and map work too. Can mug and mail be added to the crew? Can you think of words that start with the sound? Quietly think. Now turn and talk to your neighbor. Great job! Let's write the letter M. Down, back up, camel hump, hump. Down, back up, camel hump, hump. Down, back up, camel hump, hump. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Romp. Check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, Romp.